Well, now President Murmu has arrived in Visakhapatnam in a display of India's naval capabilities. President Draupadi Murmu will now witness the International Fleet Review in Andhra Pradesh. So being joined by my colleague Nivriti Mohan, who is in Visakhapatnam at this moment. Nivriti, this is the first time India is hosting the prestigious fleet review alongside the exercise Milan. What do we expect from this spectacular display of Navy's might? Well, this is India's first time hosting the prestigious International Fleet Review of Navy. Lot of countries, over 100 nations are expected to participate in this. President Murmu will now review the assembled fleet at the review anchorage area of Visakhapatnam. The mega maritime convergence will see participation from over 100 nations with ships, submarines, aircraft and official delegations showcasing global naval strength and cooperation along with India's expanding maritime vision. Well, President Murmu, as the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, will now review the capabilities of Indian Navy along with visiting ships from over 100 friendly foreign navies. Key warships and submarines will take part in this grand display of Navy's might. This International Fleet Review is being held alongside Exercise Milan, being conducted simultaneously. It's focused on enhancing cooperation among participating navies through operational interactions and cultural exchanges. Well, I'm being joined by my colleague Nivriti Mohan, who is in Visakhapatnam right now. Nivriti, this is India's first time hosting this prestigious fleet review. What do we expect from this spectacular display of Navy's might?
This is for the third time this International Fleet Review is being conducted in India. For the first time it was conducted in 2001 in Mumbai, and then after almost 15 years it was conducted. Okay. After 15 years, it was conducted in Visakhapatnam in 2016, and then after 10 years, it is being conducted now in Visakhapatnam. So this is the third International Fleet Review here in India, where navies from the across the regions of the world are participating here, not only from the Indian Ocean regions. Navies from all over the world have been invited to participate in this International Fleet Review being held in Visakhapatnam after 10 years of time over here. But this is for the first time that 3 3 events are simultaneously being conducted, and this is the largest fleet review that is being conducted. The 3 exercises are Exercise Milan, the International Fleet Review, and IONIS Chiefs Conclaves that will be held in Visakhapatnam. 3 days we will be seeing all these events. If we talk about the navies that are participating here, the navies are from various countries that are participating here. Naval leaders are participating here. Almost 70 countries are participating, and 40 warships, submarines, anti-ship warfare corvettes, and etc. Are the vessels that are participating. If we talk about ships particularly, the countries that are participating are 19 countries, especially from the Indian Ocean region, Maldives, Sri Lanka. All these countries are participating. Thailand, the Republic of Korea, Japan. These are the countries that are participating. 19 countries, 18 countries in total, with 19 ships, with Sri Lanka participating with 2 of their vessels. And if we talk about Indian Navy, it is around more than 40 vessels of Indian Navy that will be participating here. For Indian Navy, it is a platform, a huge platform to showcase to the world the kind of indigenous capability that the Indian Navy and the government for the Indian Navy has built, and it is trying to build the indigenous warships, the indigenous frigates, the